Welcome to our no-bake energy oats bite recipe. Today, we will show you how to make a delicious and nutritious snack in no time. Start by gathering your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of rolled oats for a hearty base that provides essential fiber and energy. Next, grab half a cup of your favorite nut butter. This could be almond, peanut, or cashew butter, choose your preference for flavor and nutrition. Now, add 1/3 cup of natural sweetener. You can use honey or maple syrup to bring a touch of sweetness to your energy bites. Incorporate a 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed. This not only enhances the texture but also adds omega-3 fatty acids and fiber to your mixture. Next, mix in a 1/4 cup of mini dark chocolate chips for a delightful chocolatey taste without compromising on health. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavors of your energy bites and make them even more delicious. Combine all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and stir until they are well mixed. This step is crucial to ensure every bite is packed with flavor and nutrition. Once mixed, take small portions of the mixture and roll them into bite-sized balls. Make sure they are compact so they hold together. Place the rolled bites on a tray lined with parchment paper and refrigerate for about 30 minutes to firm up. After chilling, your no-bake energy oats bites are ready to enjoy. They are perfect for a quick snack or a healthy dessert. For more recipes and ideas for healthy snacks and desserts, consider checking out the book Viewing Food Through the Lens of Nourishment by Dr. Romani. You can order your copy today at leafypen.com and discover a variety of nourishing recipes that fit your lifestyle.